How to do a reverse CC Backrock pattern variation. Step 1, make sure you understand the basic pattern, which goes like this. Reverse CC, jump back, switch. Reverse CC, jump back, switch. The change we're gonna make is instead of jumping from here all the way back, we're simply gonna jump back to our other foot. So first, let's go to our reverse CC, and we're gonna simply jump to this foot. Ready, jump, land. From here, we repeat this on the other side. We go reverse CC, jumping to this foot that's in the air, boom. Make sure as you do this, your back is nice and round so that you're rolling. And as you get comfortable, add speed and have fun with it. For more help through dancing, make sure to subscribe to me on YouTube and Patreon.